Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Miche Beauty Leave-In Conditioner is probably one of the most sought-after products in the haircare market right now, and for good reason. If you're tired of dealing with dry, frizzy, or unmanageable hair, this leave-in conditioner might just be the miracle solution you've been searching for, promising to deliver intense hydration, detangle stubborn knots, and leave your locks feeling incredibly soft and looking visibly healthier with every use. We're diving deep into what makes this product a game changer and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 3+ Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree 3+ Complete Repair Treatment. It's designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It's a quick and effective way to start your hair repair journey. Experience immediate repair for damaged hair. This formula targets breakage and weakness, restoring your hair's natural vitality. Get ready for noticeably softer and stronger hair. It leaves your locks feeling smooth, resilient, and healthy. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. What we like. This is a powerful 3-minute pre-shampoo treatment. It works to immediately repair hair damage, leaving your locks softer and stronger. If you have severely damaged hair and need a quick, effective fix, this is the one for you. What people say. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. This conditioner detangles my hair effectively, making it easier to comb through. My curls are more defined and less frizzy after using this product. Number 4. Olaplex and Degree 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing Olaplex and Degree 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair existing damage and defend your hair against future breakage. Tired of frizz? This powerful formula helps to significantly reduce frizz, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this conditioner is formulated to work effectively for you. Experience stronger, healthier-looking hair with every use. It works to rebuild and strengthen your hair from within. Discover the transformative power of Olaplex. It's more than just a conditioner, it's a vital step in maintaining hair health. What we like. This conditioner is designed to repair existing damage and protect against future breakage. It also works to significantly reduce frizz, leaving hair smooth and manageable. If you struggle with frizz and want to strengthen your hair while preventing further damage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is a game changer for my hair, leaving it soft, manageable, and frizz-free. I love how this leave-in conditioner detangles my knots instantly, making my hair feel silky smooth. The lightweight formula doesn't weigh my hair down, and it provides excellent moisture without greasiness. Number 3. Milkshake Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Tired of struggling with knots and tangles? Our leave-in conditioner spray is designed to make detangling a breeze, especially for natural hair. Specifically formulated for natural hair, this spray gently works through knots without causing breakage. Achieve smoother, more manageable hair with ease. Infused with nourishing ingredients, it provides essential hydration to leave your hair feeling soft and revitalized. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to healthy-looking locks. Its lightweight formula won't weigh your hair down, making it perfect for daily use. Enjoy the benefits of a detangler without any greasy residue. Simply spray it on damp or dry hair and comb through. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for quick and effective detangling. Experience the difference of truly detangled and conditioned natural hair. Get ready to embrace healthier, more beautiful hair every day. What we like. This leave-in conditioner spray is a fantastic detangler for natural hair. Its lightweight formula won't weigh your hair down, making styling a breeze. If you have natural hair that gets easily tangled and you're looking for a product that simplifies your routine, this is a great option. What people say. This product is amazing. It leaves my hair soft and manageable. I love how this conditioner detangles my hair and makes it easier to brush. My hair feels so moisturized and healthy after using this leave-in conditioner. Number 2. SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Is your hair feeling damaged and brittle? It's time to give it the nourishment it deserves. Our special formula is designed to bring life back to your locks. We use 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil, a powerful ingredient known for its restorative properties. This natural oil is the key to healthier hair. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. This conditioner works to soften your hair, making it incredibly easy to manage and comb through. Whether your hair is chemically treated, heat-styled, or naturally prone to damage, this product is here to help. It's designed to repair and protect. Discover the transformative power of SheaMoisture. Give your hair the gentle yet effective care it needs to look and feel its best. What we like. Infused with 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil, this leave-in conditioner deeply moisturizes and softens damaged hair. It's also excellent at detangling, making it easier to manage. If your damaged hair is dry, brittle, and prone to tangles, this product will provide the nourishment and ease of styling you need. What people say. It smells amazing and leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. This leave-in conditioner is a game changer for my dry, frizzy hair. It provides excellent moisture and helps detangle my curls without weighing them down. I love how this product defines my curls and adds a beautiful shine. It doesn't leave any sticky residue, which is a huge plus. Number 1. Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Discover the nourishing power of Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. It's designed to bring out the best in your curls. This rich formula deeply moisturizes your hair, making detangling a breeze. Say goodbye to knots and hello to smooth, manageable curls. It works to repair damage and protect your strands from everyday stressors. Keep your hair looking and feeling healthy. Tired of frizz? This conditioner helps to combat it, leaving your curls beautifully defined and incredibly shiny. Enjoy a radiant finish. Perfect for all curl types, it enhances your natural texture. Experience the difference it makes for your beautiful hair. Get a generous 12 fluid ounces of this amazing leave-in conditioner. It's your new go-to for achieving your best curls yet. What we like. Specifically formulated for curly hair, this leave-in conditioner moisturizes and detangles while helping to repair damage. It effectively combats frizz and improves overall shine. If you have curly hair and are looking for a product that defines your curls, adds moisture, and keeps frizz at bay, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It smells amazing and leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. This leave-in conditioner is a game changer for my curly hair. It defines my curls and reduces frizz without weighing my hair down. I love how lightweight this product is. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any sticky residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.